Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created these fabric wrapped bracelets. And these bracelets are actually made out of 3 different things. This one right here is just some chipboard. But you guys, I love how these came out. These came out so nice, so beautiful. This one, believe it or not, is made out of just like some cable wire, some really thick wire. This one might be like my favorite one, but I do like the thick one too, though. I do like that one. And then this one is just made out of a zip tie. Now this one has a little bit of a shape to it, but that's why I put like a little accent. That way, like, the accent is at the top of the bracelet, you know. But yeah, if you guys got any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And you guys, like, take this and run with this. This is so nice. Like, come on, you guys, take this idea and run with it. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Guys, so right here all I'm doing is taking the zip tie and trying to fit it to my wrist and figure out what's a good size. Really simple. Okay, once I did that, I went and took some felt, as you can see here, and I'm just going to cover it in felt because I feel like it makes it thicker, but it also makes it to where there aren't any like hard lines on my wrist. Like, it makes it soft, I guess. So I'm just closing it up with some hot glue. Nothing complicated. Everything is real simple. Okay, so in here I'm just gluing the 2 ends together. Really simple. But as you notice, if I did this next time, I think I would do a different way to get the, I think I would end up just sewing the 2 ends together. That way it would be kind of more flush instead of that little hump in the middle. But I think that right there would make a great earring. Anywho, moving on to the wire. So the wire was actually my favorite one that I used. So I'm just bending it to the shape right now. And I'm going to wrap that in felt as well to make that thicker. But yeah, you guys, like I said, these is real simple. Like, take these ideas, make it your own. You guys, this is stuff that you can sell. I feel like especially the wired one. Like the wired one, the wired bracelet has weight on it. The zip tie was lightweight, but I would say those would be perfect for like earrings. So keep that in mind as well. And then the third idea I used chipboard. Chipboard was great, turns out excellent. Only thing about that is, I mean, when it comes to trying to sell that, I mean, at the end of the day, it's not really high quality. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's paper. You know, like if they were to wash their hands, get that chipboard wet, it might mess up that bracelet. So I wouldn't recommend selling the chipboard bracelet, but you could do that for personal. So right here, I just doubled it up, trying to make it a little bit thicker than what it was, a little bit more sturdier. Because, you know, like I said, it's just chipboard, like some extra thick cardstock paper almost. And then I'm just going to glue the 2 ends together. Really easy, really simple. And this is some fabric that I got off of Amazon. It was only $10 for 6 different patterns, which I think was really good. And it's that thick material. Like it's really thick. It's high quality. And then this, I got this. This was also for $10. And I'm trying to figure out what colors I want to pair up with this. So I end up choosing a yellow. Yellow was the way to go. Yellow's bright. And this is the easy part. Like, you just take the fabric, wrap it around. I mean, plain and simple. Like, you can't get any more easier than this. This was like a really good craft for me to come home and do after work, y'all, because I had to go back to work today. You know, I work at the school, so my winter break was over, y'all. I was not ready to go back. I'm still not ready to go back. Shoot. I don't want to go back tomorrow either. I hope this week go by fast. Anywho. You know what? I actually like that brown. I should have kept that brown showing. That brown was nice. But we're going to end up wrapping these with some beads later on. You guys, the beads is going to set it off. And then for the fringes, I mean, that's a personal choice. You can cut the fringes. You can leave the fringes. You can put some frayed hack on it. Whatever you want to do. This is your stuff. So like I said, the only thing about that zip tie that was throwing me off was that little hump in the middle. But you know what? I worked with it. And I think the end result was bomb. So, nothing else to say. Drinking my coffee, y'all. You know what? I like doing these voiceovers. These are so much better than just a quiet video, at least in my opinion. Because I feel like I get to explain what I'm doing. And this is the last one. Like, let's wrap this up. Let's get this going. Like, we're ready for the end results. And my husband is just laughing, y'all. He on TikTok. I think the next video I might record with my phone. I mean, I done had this webcam for some years. And okay, so these are the beads. This is what made the bracelets like really stand out and just pat. Did I measure the wire that I used? No. Do I know the gauge size? No. Y'all, I just got a drawer full of wire. It's just loose wire. So I took the round nose pliers, did a little circle, you know, so that I could hook it onto the bracelet. And then you just put the beads on and just wrap it. Same way you did the fabric, that's the same way you're gonna do with this wire. Like, simple. Let's get this going. And at first I was really nervous about adding the big beads on there. Like, I wasn't for sure if the big beads were gonna look right. But I think the big beads look nice. Like, I think it all went together like really, really good. And then I had 2 other bracelets that I had made, which was the jean bracelets that you saw in the picture. And I just popped them with that. And y'all, that was a set. So this is the finished results. And they came out beautiful.